In this video we can talk about top 5 WordAi alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives channel. If you are on the lookout for powerful alternatives to WordAi, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll introduce you to the top 5 alternatives to WordAi, including Jasper AI, Copy AI, Rytr, AI Rytr, and Writersonic, perfect options for advanced content generation. The first alternative is Jasper AI. Jasper AI is an AI writing assistant designed to generate engaging, accurate, and well-researched content. It offers features like browser extension, language extension, brand voice and memory, and Jasper API. As you continue to use the tool, it becomes more familiar with your preferences and produces even better results. One of Jasper's standout features is its ability to generate multilingual content with ease. The second alternative on our list is Copy AI. Copy AI is an AI writing assistant that helps you craft compelling and persuasive content. It offers features like AI writing generators, AI writing templates, digital ad copy, and blog content. With this writing assistant, you'll be able to write copy that's more attention-grabbing and effective, all in a fraction of the time it would normally take. And one of the standout features of Copy AI is its ability to mimic the writing style of the user. Moving on to our third alternative, we have Rytr. Rytr is the ultimate AI writing assistant that will help you save time and money while creating high-quality content. It offers features like browser extension, SEO analyzer, magic command, and text editing. With Rytr, you can bid farewell to the tedious and time-consuming task of researching, drafting, and editing your content. One of Rytr's standout features is its personalized writing experience. Our fourth alternative is AI Rytr. AI Rytr is an AI-powered writing tool that helps you create well-structured and coherent content. It offers various features like SEO-focused text editor, research and write, text rewording, and topic discover. It can generate articles that are tailored to the specific needs of your target audience, complete with the latest industry trends, analysis, and insights. One of the standout features of AI Rytr is its ability to generate content that is full of detail and factual information. Last but not least, we have Writersonic. Writersonic is one of the leading AI writing tools that uses advanced algorithms to generate SEO-optimized content that is up to par with industry standards. It offers various features like blog writer, SEO integration, article summarizer, and product descriptions. Additionally, it provides a wide range of templates for different types of content, including blog posts, articles, sales pages, product descriptions, and more. One of the standout features of Writersonic is its ability to create content 10x faster than a human writer, without compromising on the quality and relevance of the content. Compared to WordAi, Jasper AI offers advanced AI-powered content generation with a focus on creating high-quality articles, blog posts, and marketing copy. Copy AI, on the other hand, a powerhouse tool that streamlines your content creation process in a way that's never been possible before. Rytr enables you to tailor your content by sharing your brand's story, tone, and voice. AI Rytr is the game-changing solution for quickly generating accurate and trustworthy content perfect for a variety of industries. Lastly, we have Writersonic that creates SEO-optimized and plagiarism-free content at lightning speeds. If you're looking for an AI-powered content generation tool that offers a wide range of writing styles and tones, we recommend Rytr as the best alternative to WordAi. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights to help you choose the right AI writing tool for your content creation needs. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.